Okay, so first off, I like to say probably why did I make this video? Because I found something scary on here. If you, okay, here's what W reverse sounds, and here's the video that I sort of did. And I don't know what zombies or what games they are from, but I'm I'm shocked. I'll stay right here. I'm shocked. I don't like this anymore. I was like, oh god. I heard this beating when I heard this before. Oh, it's now Half-Life 2. Head Johnny is on fire. I have regrets of doing this now. I have regrets right now, and I'm gonna have nightmares by the end of this. I don't want to hear it right now. I'm feeling so bad for these guys right now. Nope, I'm not doing it. I'm too scared to do it. Nope. You see how I paused it right here? I'm so scared. Nope, I'm not listening to it. You can see for yourself. I'm not listening to it anymore. Also, Doggo, save me. Doggo, I want you to save me. Please help me. We're not giving me nightmares in the future. No, if I had it creepy the first time I heard it, I was like, oh my god. I'm scared. Bye.